Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing today? So, this is the progress I made yesterday. I got all the half square triangles sewed together. I got the four patches made, and then I thought I would make my reference block that would be hanging above me so that I could make sure I'm sewing everything together right. And, and mind you, this took me a while. It took me a while to get all this done. I should have stopped when I was ahead, because now I'm having to take this block out and turn it. Yeah, I I really don't like doing that, but hey, I'm having to. So hopefully your projects have started off on a better foot than mine this year. But it's part of quilting and something that we love doing. And let's just say Jack has followed me into the new year. Talk to you later. Bye.